Hey guys, Happy Elizabeth here. If you are new to my page, hey, how are you doing? Today's video is a crochet video. Before I start, I just want to let you guys know that this hair was sent to me by a company called Diva Tress, and I will leave all the details down below in the description bar. So please don't forget to click that down below. And before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And also don't forget to leave a comment and a like if you like it. If you don't like it, at least you gave your time up to me, you know, you gave me your time to check me out. But I don't want the intro to be too long. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get started. Let me scoosh on right here. Let's get started. So they sent me this big old box full of 2 different type of hair. The box looks like this. Yes, baby. But I got these. That's cool. And then they sent me their Jerry Curl Expression hair, which is this week's hairstyle. I think we're gonna do, I'm feeling braids, but if I wear braids, I want them to last me for a while. This is called, ooh, girl. This is giving me like the Jennifer vibe, you know, like slash Beyonce slash Rihanna slash Affy vibe, and then this is giving me the like the Regina Hall vibe, you know, slash Brandy slash Affy slash Monica. So I'm like, who am I gonna wear? Affy, Beyonce, Jennifer, Brandy, Virginia, Affy. This always wins. So I washed my little cream crack on my face off because I felt like I wasn't looking professional. Get these babies out the baths.
Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin'.
Let's get to work. Guys, we came through dripping with some expressions. Is it expression or expression crochet braids. These military people need to stop. It's too late for me doing this. Dang, I hate living next to the U.S. base. But anyway, wow, now I gotta just try to get it together. But yeah, this is how the hair looks like. I like separating my crochets. You can get them like in a knot, like they come like in a little loop. You can detach the little wire thing that it comes with, if that's even a wire. I don't know what it's called. And you can, you know, do it your own way, or you can include the little wire thing that the hair is twisted around or on. You know what? If you buy this hair, you'll know what I'm talking about. But this is only 1 pack, y'all. 1 pack. Okay, I was feeling like somebody, like I couldn't handle it. Also, a quick heads up, stay until the end of the video to hear my honest review on this hair, because your girl was feeling like somebody important. Yes, baby. Ooh, got a new hair? Will always love you. Will always love me. Listen, I love me, okay? I love me. I love me so much that you can't tell me nothing about me, because I love me. But this is how the hair looks like. It looks good, baby. It looks so good. Excuse me, what was you saying? Did I hear you pretty well? Because I got all the curls in my ears. I can't hear what you're saying. Oh, okay. bino moko botala, botala, boyina te, naza jolie. I'm very, very beautiful. I love this hair. This hair is by far one of my favorite brand. If you was to ask me what type of crochets would you recommend, with no doubt, je blague pas, I'm going to tell you this type of hair is the best crochet you can use. I love how natural the texture is. I love the way it goes on my head. It's hard to explain, but Expression, their crochets is amazing. I've tried Expression before and I've realized that it doesn't tangle as much as other crochets. The texture feels so natural. Petit. Naza, quand vous me regardez comme ça, c'est fini. C'est fini. Je vais partir dormir calme parce que je sais que je vais me réveiller. Ces cheveux ici, demain matin, je vais saper comme jamais. Je vous dis c'est bon. On dit premier gao n'est pas gao. Je vais saper comme jamais quand je vais me réveiller demain matin. Parce que ces cheveux, c'est incroyable. Et ça bien. Nazo comme mon andeti, mwana mbongo, mwana Amérique. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave you guys watch the rest of the tutorial and stay tuned for the last part of the video. And if this is your first time and you like it, please don't forget to click subscribe and check out the description bar to where you can get this hair, the website, and all that good stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys at the end of the video. Do my crochets, if it's something like this, I like it to blend, especially since my hair is short at the moment. It's not like perfect. My crochets are getting there because I have short hair now. Sometimes it makes me cry, so I like to like comb out that root so it can give me that nice natural look. Because you know we trying to look like Team Natural, you know, but it's hard to find. You see that? Now if I zoom in a little bit, you see all these crazy hair, you know. Where's your crochet? I don't know. Look closer. Oh, look, it's right there. Oh. No, okay. Let's zoom you back. So for my edges, I was sent these edge controls by a company called SM Beauty. They sent me their first touchdown edge hammer, which is the ultimate touch, no flaking edge control. And then they sent me their first touchdown maximum touch. Okay. And then they sent me their super touch. Okay, so I really don't know the difference between all three of them, but I feel like they all do three different things. Okay, so for right now, I want to try out their maximum touch edge control. These edge control will be out in beauty supply store near you. So if it's not there, don't come after me. Go after them, because I don't know where they will be, you know, shipping these edge controls to, which beauty supplies in which state. But yeah, I'm going to try this purple one. This is actually the first time I try them out. It would smell good. Oh, it smell. I'm not a big fan of edge controls because I feel like they don't last compared to Got to Be Gel. But we gonna see. And it says they're maximum touch, meaning it holds all day, okay? And you know it's hot outside. You know it's summertime. So some of these edge controls don't be working during the summer because it gets too hot. And then when it gets too hot, it hits the edges and the edges look greasy. And then it starts sticking up. So that's one reason why I don't wear edge controls. But we're going to give this a try. So I'm going to lay my edges on this side. Oh, girl, you need to wash your hair. See these edges, the edges, you gotta be serious with your edges. Like you can't just like dap them on there. You gotta like put your hands in it. Like we gotta get it together. So I'm gonna swoop them, swoop. Ooh, ooh, it's holding it good. Oh my gosh, hold on. Oh shoot. We're not gonna speak too soon. Hold on. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is some. Oh, this is some hard stuff. Oh shoot. Mama, I think we found a winner. Oh my god. Nah, this ain't real, bro. This ain't real. The true test will come after I get back inside the house. Hours later, we're gonna see if this actually is a maximum hold. Yo. Shut the front door. Well, it's already shut, but oh my god. See, I always mess up on my left side. Like, my right side be so well. That's why my hair be on my left. Because my edges on my left be hating. Ooh, you'll be hating. Yo, and it smells good, like, yo. Ooh, the way it snatched this up, baby. Oh my gosh. The fact that I combed this part out because Eco Styler Gel is canceled. Y'all trying to kill a girl. Y'all trying to get me to not see my marriage. Y'all trying to get me to not see my children because of Eco Styler Gel situation. We don't work with that no more. So we're gonna use a different product to try to blend the natural hair with this beautiful crochet. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna use the Camilla Rose curl maker. This is actually my favorite product for my natural hair. As you can tell, it's halfway gone. This product is expensive. Okay, it's very, very expensive. So we try to make use of it. Because this is synthetic, you do not want to put a lot of product in this. You only want to put water, nothing else, because it's synthetic. But I'm only adding it to the top of my hair so that my natural hair can breathe. And voila! Weesh poppin', baby! As far as the hair, I love this hair. I've tried this hair before and I loved it. But this one is different. This is a jerry curl. The one that I tried was a 4A type hair and it was 12 inch. This is their jerry curl 14 inches. And I love the fact that it is very, very soft. That's why I decided to try it again. But this time I wanted to try the 14 inch. I love how soft it is. This hair does shed and it does tangle. I feel like a lot of people don't understand that crochet is not human hair. There's no such thing as no tangling, no shedding. Crochet, especially the fact that crochets are synthetic hair, is going to tangle and it's going to shed. But there are some type of crochets that feel like human hair that doesn't give you a lot of shedding. This one is one of them. Like, it doesn't really have that shedding, you know, feeling, but it will tangle after 2 weeks or 3. I normally keep my crochets in for 3 weeks, and actually no, I don't. I keep it in for 2 to 3 weeks. I don't really keep them in for that long, but yeah, this is how the hair looks. I hope you guys like this video. I would like for you to subscribe, thumbs up this video, leave a comment before you leave telling me if you like this hair or if you like me in general. And as far as these beautiful babies right here, we're gonna have a separate review on this, just so I can keep this, you know, a separate video. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Why do that? Bye guys.